Tara. Walking northeast, tara, low sila dito, northeast, low sila northeast. Low sila northeast.
Sige.
Brawl nyo, spread, push your northeast, ang dami low, push your northeast, hold nyo, magkakalap yan, ready push na, brawl, outside, brawl, defend now, gago, sabi ready, yo, heal up northeast, okay, heal up northeast, brawl northeast, heal me northeast, okay, push lang north, heal up, i-brawl nyo, i-cancel nyo mga healers ng mga kalaban ha. Sige, send nyo lang. Magta-turn yan. Ready defenses, magta-turn yan.
Di malin.
Looking, defense sa choke. Nag-miss, okay? Heal up, then push, keep pushing. Hold nyo sila.
Sige.
Okay. Push kayo. Ay, sige, come southwest. Hindi nag-push yung mga DPS ko. Balik sa choke. Balik sa choke west side. Hindi nag-push yung mga DPS ko. Yo, engage sila dito. Defend now. Yo, hindi nag-push yung mga DPS ko, man. Ba't sa west side pa rin kayo? Atras west side. Sige, atras tayo west side. Atras mo na west side. Gago, hindi kayo nag-push ng choke. Yo, pots. Come northwest muna, spread muna tayo. Come northwest muna, sige.
Yan patay, apat.
Rigap muna tayo. Ay, matab muna. Palabanin nyo muna. Pwede natin ikutan sa castle eh. Oo, castle.
Wala pa.
Yung southwest side ng castle clear na guards.
Sira na ba yung gate?
Sira yung southwest side.
Hindi, as in yung loob. Papasok.
Hindi pa.
Tingin ang dalawang giant
Yung
unpro.
dapat na targetin natin dito all rise eh. Logi po yung
Hindi, yung all race nga tinatarget
Bumabalik yung 1, 2, 3 ah.
Sige lang.
Unpro, pingin giant doy, dalawa lang.
Dito na sila.
Yung burning na natira is dito sa south ng Lord Room.
Nasa north
Kaya
na
ba
sila ng castle. Lumalabas
kaya
na
ba
ulit
i-smash
sila
to?
nasa north.
Smash kayo kung may
Fighting sila sa labas. Sa labas ng
Yo,
castle.
tabihan nyo mount siya.
Guard na to.
Okay, please.
Fighting sila pero sa labas eh. Kasi bumabalik na sila.
Ilang percent?
Bumabalik sila sa castle.
Pumapasok.
Pasok ah.
Pumasok na sila Mugya, tumatakbo sila papunta ng running sila.
Ready lang kayo mag-mount.
Smash.
Panakita nyo naka
Diyan na sila.
Kaya natin sila i-brawl dito.
Sana kami
Okay, come southwest, kakatch sila, come southwest. Mga tanks lang sumira ng castle. Saan sila punta? Come south. We can fight them open world. Keep coming southwest. Yo, dismount me. Yo, brawlers, stay mounted. Yo, everyone, dismount. They just engage. Dismount northeast. Catch them. Catch them all. Hold them. Don't let them kite. Start brawling them. Brawl them. Go. Brawl nyo. Hold them. Push them.
Pahila ko dito sa taas ng tower.
Hold nyo
Pahila ko sa taas ng tower.
Yun yung si Wayne sa tower sa northwest.
Sige.
Daming. Yo, magta-turn na yan.
Bibim kita boss.
Keep coming. Ready defenses, ready potions, okay?
Hindi sila.
Yung northeast, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, everything with CD, everything with cooldown. Just kill everything inside. Patay nyo. Oh, smash gate.
Overweight ako, help me.
Smash gate.
Select. Gonna die.
Smash gate.
Bigyan mo konti lang.
Teka lang, combat lang ako.
Tago ka sila. Tago kang gamer.
Ilang percent pa sila? Hindi sa pa ba sila?
Sino yan?
Tara. Tayo naman.
Ay naman.
Isa eh.
Start.
Ito, Gucci to.
Uy.
Ay.
Mali na. Nasa
Come
iyo.
southwest. Come east.
Out natin power.
Tignan
Come east. Patay nyo, healer. I-purge nyo kung pwede.
Ano ka boss Wayne?
Pwede cleric na.
Patay nyo muna.
Ano ko ah.
May nakatingin sa akin.
Come southwest. Yo, ready pots. Help nyo si Wayne. Help nyo si Wayne sa east side. Okay, pop nyo kills ng Heal nyo. Beam nyo. Kick kami west. Defend out. Ready. Defend out. Sige, come southwest. Kite southwest, guys. Southwest, southwest. Potion southwest. Southwest pa. Get out, choke. Keep kiting. Sige, wait lang. May all race pa sa atin. Hold lang. Spread lang southwest side. Wait.
Nakatingin sa atin.
Yeah. Just wait. Wait, kasi ayaw ko na tayo nasa gitna ma-sandwich eh. Come southwest. Ayaw ko tayo yung come southwest guys. Hello. I'm here. Let them come to us.
Scrap ko, tapang mo masyado, nasa point ka major.
Yun, sirain na rin natin yung gate sa kabila para wala silang tatakbuhan.
Nakukuha nila.
Wait, pakita mo nga, Wayne.
Wala.
Ay, tama nga, wait. Nagtunay
Oh,
na.
buffing.
Beam mo. Ay, wala tinamaan.
Ay, mamatay.
Ay, gago, ang sakit. Ang sakit ng demon, gago.
Hindi po na galit.
Patayin nyo itong guards dito. Start nyo sirain yung gate na to ha. Clear nyo yung mobs dito. Nasaan yung all res? Ayun, all res nandito pa. Brawlers lang, healers. Need
Kaya
brawlers,
natin
healers.
yung all right ha.
Ampasin nyo lang yung gate.
May mga depth pa kayo.
Medyo
Uy, mag-ampas kayo guys. Dalawa lang ang ampas.
Need more healers. Need more brawlers. Tank.
ganas dapat yung mga
Supports pala.
Beam ako.
Agad daw.
Beam.
Beam. Pakita mo yung perma na yan. Puta na yung perma na yan. Ay gago, di mo na. Naka-ready.
Pati ibang wala na akong mana. Hindi sa tank.
Sige lang. Reset muna tayo. Smash na lang yung gate.
Tarde one.
Mount up muna. Huwag muna kayo pumasok.
Level 10 na lang sila.
Sige, hold muna tayo dito. Yo, one scout. Ay, hindi. Hold south muna kayo. Antayin nyo muna. Come south. Follow. Yo, listen. Everyone follow me. Follow me. I know what to do. Follow me.
Okay, may mana ng...
Yo, brawlers. Mag-dismount kayo much later. Pa-engage nyo muna.
Kapababa ng mga.
Dismount me. Spread northwest. Yung mga brawlers, dismount kayo sa pag nag-engage yan. Ito, backline to. Come southeast. Ito, southeast. Walking southeast. Ang laki ng naklap nila dito. Start brawling. Hold them. Nagkakait sila. Mag-dismountan nyo sa malayo. Nak sila. Wala engage to mga to ah. Brawl. Wala engage to mga to.
Naway ako ng Chrono.
Listen. Spread and brawl northeast now. Spread and brawl. They're gonna have engage soon, okay? Spread and brawl. Marlika. Careful. Caller looking in the middle. Heal selects. Careful. Nagkakait sila northwest. Okay, careful. Nagkakait sila northwest. Magta-turn sila soon. Maybe potion.
1, 2, 3 po sa...
Then push natin southeast now. Potion. Push natin southeast now. Sige, eto na sila naman push natin. Okay? Push nyo.
Ay, patay ako.
Mag-boots kayo south. Tapos i-push nyo yung south. Okay, push nyo yung south. Inite armor nyo, push nyo. Okay, yeah, marami low dito. Need pa naman DPS. Marami low. Come southeast dito. Southeast tayo. Nag-engage sila. Come southeast. Pil up. Sige, come southeast.
Tayo dito.
Ito, naka-spread majority sa atin sa west side. Sige, spread and survive muna.
Boost mana ko.
na-engage doon sa is kanina, yung na-GA.
Wala kayo.
Nakita ko nga eh. Oo nga, hindi kayo spam giga pag ganun. Dati spam kayo giga.
Nakapag-giga ako, nabuhay ako doon eh, pero yung iba...
Sige, paglabanin nyo
Wait
muna
up pa
sila.
Zaiketsu.
Patay na ako.
Balaw si...
Babalik yan,
Ganun, dalawang engage sa akin.
Ito. Ay, wala.
Tsaka usin nyo baka mouse break kayo.
Ayun,
So 5 minutes pa naman. Tabalusin yung mga
Yung may extra pots, ay pingin pots. Penge extra.
Right pick. Wala.
Eh, help nyo si Win.
Trade mo.
Hindi, trade na ako ni Kawalski Doy. Salamat Doy. Iisa.
Buti to,
Trade
ah.
flex.
Ito na ha.
Masaya
Trade
pang
mo.
content.
May food ka rin sa Dex.
Patibay mo naman.
Hindi, baka may naput.
Hindi, wala,
Pulot
wala.
kang ano. Nice ko lang.
Nakaset na to eh.
Chalo mo na.
Sayang nga yung ulp, tinapon ko.
Ay, baka ma-engage yung kayo sa task ko, ha? Putahin na nyo.
Subo ka pa. Nguya ka muna, Doy.
Nag-engage na sila. Pero ingat.
Wait lang, nag-aantay pa ng healers eh.
Hayop na fight to, 30 minutes na.
Okay, pa-invite Linaria, healer.
Oh, yun.
Healer pala ako dito, boy. Dati ko.
Nakarinig ako ng healer. Yo, wait lang. Yo, get ready sa issue daw. Wait
Step
lang,
pa dala nga ng isang bips to.
Hirapan sila magpatayan.
Ito yung backline ng backline ko right.
Come southeast, come southeast.
Pa-healer.
Southeast. Okay, okay.
Alam mo, ano mangyari pag finlip natin yung ano? Ay, nag-reset ba yung castle?
Matara.
May guards na lang sa south.
Ay,
Tapos Lord na.
Sorry,
South ng Lord room.
Hindi, ayusin mo roll mo. Naka-battle mo.
Sige. Tara.
Pag sinilip natin kung tayo.
Need ko ng info kung saan si ano. Kung nasaan
Nakatingin sa'yo, Win.
Eh, si All Rise need ko malaman kung nasaan. Uy, nakatingin sa'yo ah.
Hindi, bumalik na ako, nag-GA ako. Tapos beam.
Yo, stay lang sa south side.
Laban pa sila sa north lang.
Dito tayo mag-brawl.
Napulot niyo ba yung astral ko?
Walang tao dito.
Nasa northeast wala.
Pati backline ko ng ano.
Patayin nyo tong guards, yung guards dito. Okay lang yan ah. Yo, watch my northeast ah. Pupush natin yung northeast pa nag-push sila sa atin ah.
Ayun na, Mugi.
Pushing.
Oh, come northeast.
Pushing. Wala silang defensive.
Come northeast. Yo. Heal. Puta na nag-engage na yung si ano. Yo, bro, west side shallow. Okay, then keep cutting west ah. Okay. I-brawl nyo yung west side, guys. Ito, yo, nag-walk in yung all rise ah. Spread kayo west side ah. Nag-walk in yung all rise ah. Spread kayo west side. Okay, wait.
Stop.
Yo, listen, come northeast. Listen. Come northeast.
Ready.
Yo, some of the brawlers go northeast. We go around them. We go around them.
May GA ako pang
Brawl
defense.
shallow. Nagkakait sila. Yo, careful. Looking all right sa atin ha. Brawl nyo lang shallow. Balik ako. Shallow lang. Okay, shallow lang. Okay, nice. Okay, then brawl lang kayo inside castle ha. West side ha. Yo, kalaan may... Yo, careful east side ha. Nandun yung always ha. Yo, careful. Looking sila west side. At nasa northwest sila marami. Careful. Nag-engage sila inside. Wala silang engage.
Ano si Malin?
Wala sila. Yo, patulong si Jaima. Nasa si Jaima?
Papil si Jaima ngayon.
Ay, paano? Okay, wait lang. Basta ng gulo ng laban to. Yo, fix roll nga kayo yung mga healers para lang po sino.
Jaima.
Kasat. Yo, spread kayo northwest lang. Ipitin natin, okay? Yo, listen. ROC, spread northwest lang. Color looking. Just wait.
I-brawl nyo.
Alalayan nyo lang si Win. Gago, sakit.
Matinin.
Yung kabila, Mugi.
Step up. Yo, we clap first. Step up. Southeast ah. Southeast by the wall. 5. By the wall. 4, 3, 2, 1 by the wall. Okay, spread fast. Spread south. Spread northwest. Come back northwest. Wag kayo magstay sa gitna. May-engage kayo ng all rise. Wag kayo magstay sa gitna, please. Come back.
Heavy potion.
Yo, help rat. Nag-engage kayo rat. Wala, nag-engage. Overbrawl ka kasi.
Get good.
Kanina pa ako pinapitan.
Oh, northwest. Yo, clap first ah. DPS ah, find me ah. Wait. Spread lang. Clap first.
Iwasan nyo naman yun.
Happening yung group gate.
Iwasan nyo naman.
Step up. East side. By the stairs ah. 5, by the stairs. Go deep. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go deep if you can. Then spread. Go back west.
Nasa south.
Yes, spread kayo.
Pinakita po.
Heal select. Okay. Yan, tulungan nyo yung aking all rise looking at us.
Ay, takbo.
Kayo si side.
Always
nandito
looking
ka ba?
you listen listen. Yung half my brawlers, Kowalski, Jacqueline, Unpro, Chami, skip not, go kayo sa northeast side ng castle. Sa north side
Yung
kayo.
sila yung-
North side kayo. Healer, dalawang healer punta doon. Sile, Gemaline punta kayo doon sa north side. Okay. Yo, the rest come with me. Just push in sa ano. Wala silang mga engages, just push in all rise. Just push in all rise.
Oh,
Wala silang engages. Just push in, wala silang engages. Patayin nyo to. Shallow lang, okay. Yo, careful west side, looking Pop your potion na. Oy guys, potion fast.
Uy, naubos ko.
Okay, heal up. Nagiging sila east. Walk southwest,
Nice, Jay.
The Jay.
Push southwest inside. Wala sila engages. Push southwest inside. Marami pa tayong healers.
Buti
Push
na
southwest, okay?
Jay ko.
Nag-OC break sila. Nag-OC break yung kalaban, gago. Push in. Nag-OC break yung kalaban. Heal up middle. Brawl inside, brawl middle. Kasi yung mga healers ko, brawl middle, okay? Spread now. They're gonna engage, spread now. Defend now. Healers, wala. Walang healers? Okay, everyone, out. Out. Yo, tanks die for the DPS. Tanks die for the DPS.
Sakto yung
Thanks tayo for the
Jay ko, boss
DPS.
na yun,
Angas lang Jay ko dun
Malika, east side shallow, okay? Wait. East side shallow. 5, 4,
Mauna na kami,
3, 2, 1, east side shallow. Ay, come back agad. Cleanse. Come back agad. Wala, kinakabahan si Urat. Nakikita ko kinakabahan si Urat.
Ayop na, humatak ko
Hinatak si Urat mag-isa.
Ilang beses ako
Lima kami galing portal
Sige lang. Habol lang kayo kung aabot pa. Mount up first. Come on side, catch niya. Come on side. They're gonna engage on me, Keep kami west. Spread. Si Linaria na ulit. Sige, kick kami southwest. Nagro-rotate yung all race, kick kami southwest. Ayun. Uy, wow, iniwan si Panini. Saan si all race pumunta, umikot. I need death tank guys,
Ako na mag-game.
Yan, may spirit hunter ako. Wala lang tayo realm breaker. Nasaan sila?
Pumasok sa loob, nasa gitna.
Nasaan si all race?
Ito yung backline ng Evan.
Okay, si all race dyan. Sige,
Nandito
come
sa
southwest.
side na to si Allright.
Ay, nasa southeast side?
Hindi.
Nasa northeast ng ano.
Northeast
ng
side.
castle.
Sige. Sa southwest tayo.
Nag-engage na yung ano.
Sige, sa
Yung
southeast
1,
tayo.
2, 3.
Wala tayong masyadong pang kite kasi wala tayong
Southeast
depth
yung
tanks.
all race Southeast.
Southeast ng castle?
Sige, walang
Dito,
depth
dito,
tank dito,
dito.
Mogi. Walang depth tank dito.
East side.
Walang depth tank dito. Puro lang dito. Puro healer to nandito. Puro healer to nandito. Nagbabak sila papunta sa inyo.
Papunta dyan.
Yo,
kasama
mali ka
ko-
northeast shallow Wait, northeast shallow.
Mga healer
Ready?
yan, monster.
Wait. Hold on. Wait. Go deep. Pop your potion north. On the gate. 5. Send it on the gate. 4, 3, 2, 1. Send it on the gate. Oh, come back south. Sige, come back south.
Silence.
Yo, kill this all race healer in the back. Kill this guy. Ay, wait. Spread southeast muna. 12 seconds, just wait. Spread southeast.
Delay ka ng 2 seconds muna.
Yeah. Hold.
Cops na kami.
Hold on. Careful, spread. Wala tayong cleanses Come southeast pa.
Oo, na ino mo. Yun mo matupal mo. Lumabas na Allright. At yun.
Come southwest. We don't have tanks. Come southwest muna.
Map sa iyo pa doon. Yes man.
Yeah. May mga tanks ba yan?
Ano
Nasa si
tayo
Ores
sa
punta?
Isang tank, tatlong
Mount up muna. Nasa si Ores
isang
punta?
healer.
Teka na, aim pa. Lumabas kanina dito sa north.
Ay, come southwest. Inikutan yata tayo. Come southwest.
Oh, nandito. Sa
Southwest. Inikutan tayo. No. Only I can do that.
wait na sila boy. Wait na sila.
Maalis na sila, Mugi.
Sige, hindi pa tayo uwi.
Ayan, nakatch mo yung mga 1, 2,
Come southwest.
Dismount.
Come west. We can fight this open world. Kick kami southwest.
Lagi pulang-pula na yung
Wait,
gamit.
dismount me southwest. Get out of the choke.
Ang bobo nila mag-engage, nag-fail engage nila.
Come. Wait, come back. Perma engage northeast, Perma engage northeast shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, perma engage shallow. Then spread. Get out of choke. Northeast, come northeast, push northeast. Yo, pop potion. Bakit kayo bumalik sa choke? Yo, full defend. Get out of choke. Okay, brawl northeast, spread. They're gonna engage you. Okay, looking sila. Ready, defend. Potion. Yo, find me, DPS. Find me. Walk west. On the choke west. 5. Wait. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the choke only. Guys, nag-miss kayo. Then spread back northeast. Okay, spread back northeast. Yo, mag-engage yun yan. Na spread back. Death tanks, if I have, spread, okay? Ready your potions lang, ready cleric counts, okay? Spread lang, Marlica. They're gonna engage you, looking south. Defend south. Walang cleric count si Jemalin. Oh, do, heal up. Yo, I'm gonna fake only, I'm gonna fake south only, I'm gonna fake only. Oh, do. Wait. Look at the choke. Everyone on the choke. Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the choke only. Then spread back northeast. Okay. Yo, spread back. They're gonna try to walk in again. Spread northeast. Spread farther. Marga. Spread farther. They're trying to walk the choke. Defend east side. Clear. Heal east side. Okay, you look at the choke. Get ready. I'm gonna fake only. Okay. Wait. On the choke. Get ready. Okay. Wait. 3 seconds. Okay. Inside, Marlica. Wait. Hold. Southeast side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast side. Okay, now spread again. Yo, pahold ng choke. Spread. Pahold ng choke. They're looking. They're looking. Wait. Spread northeast. They're gonna look. Yo, listen. Do we have potions? Are we ready for headbutt? Oh, do. Yo, listen, ready your potions. We're gonna headbutt. Hold on. Yo, listen, we're gonna fake only. Pop your boots and then pop your boots and fake only southwest. Boots now. We're gonna fake southwest. Boots now. Hold on. Ay, you ready potions. Yo, potions. Headbutt. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Full headbutt. Walang focus, right? Ay, come back. Sige, come back. Spread northeast.
Drop ako locust.
Silent.
Spread northeast. Yo, brawl the people behind. Kita nyo yun nakikita nyo yun, diba? Nag-fake tayo, nag-GA sila, tapos i-engage nila yung GA. Yo, my perma look my perma get ready. Yo, they're stepping out, ready defenses, okay? Hold on. Perma, look at me, Perma engage on top of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Perma engage on top of me. Then spread fast. They're gonna come. Spread fast. Spread everywhere. They're engaging east side. Defend east side. Good. Now Death Tanks hold them. Don't let them pass the choke. Everyone walk the choke. Walk the choke. We're gonna engage southwest. Southwest outside. Just walk. West side of the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side of the choke. Then spread outside. Spread southwest now. Heal up. Yo, heals my southwest. Ang dami nyo ang dami nyo masyado sa northeast. Just kami northeast nga. Ang dami nyo nagstay sa northeast, man. Yo, spread and heal up. Heal Linaria. Heal mo naman sarili mo, man. Nakafocus ka sa lahat ng tao eh. So spread. DPS find me. Spread and brawl. DPS find me.
Help, heal.
In middle. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Middle. More damage. Yo, where's the damage? Spread. I still have DPS. I still have Bearpaw. I still have Velfire. I still have Spirit Hunter. I have 2 Spirit Hunters. Yo, wag kayo mag-kite sa castle. Spread northeast. Spread southwest. They're gonna engage you. They're gonna look. Spread. Ready potions. Color looking. Spread. Color looking east side. Defend middle. They're gonna engage on top of me. Ready. Wait. Careful. I'm gonna fake. Hold. Wait, Marlica. Wait. Look at me. Ready. Defend now. In the middle, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 in the middle. Nice. 3 dead. Okay, spread again. Si Gemma ba? Walang clerical, chrono? Ba't namamatay yan?
I don't know, baka lag or what?
Yo, come. Okay, 3 dead sa kanila. Spread DPS, spread DPS. Wait. Yeah, hold.
Huwag bumalik siya sa castle.
Going back inside castle.
What the hell?
Wait. Yo, I need death tanks ah. Ano this? Ba't kayo namamatay sa club nila? Hindi nyo ba nakikita yung club nila?
Mounting up.
Yo, try to catch their mounting. Try to catch. West side, this is mounted. West side, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side on me. Then spread. Kamaki side. Wala yung ibang DPS ko. Yeah, everyone spread. Full defend. Heal up. Come southeast. Come south. Keep coming south. Yo, heal on everyone. Sige lang. We're gonna turn on them soon Keep coming. DPS we're gonna turn on them Get ready DPS, look at me DPS. Look at me. Southwest, get ready. Inside. Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside. Everyone out. Talo tayo ng shifters, man.